Hello beautiful people and welcome to Jenga Nambo segment with me Maggie Mohoho. And today what are we doing? We are cleaning these tiles and the reason we are cleaning, you see they are black they are black tiles, but when they were painting these walls they stained the tiles. You see the stains so this is what I'm cleaning today. And yes, for it to look good. What am I using for cleaning? I'll need my gloves. You see the glove and also this tile cleaner, Cerrazo regular. You see this I'm not advertising for anyone, but it's some effective crazy thing. Oh, iko tu na label hapo. Yeah, you see yes, and that's the price here. Haya, in Cerrazo, what you do, you come here, unaweka kwa kabesheni kako. But this is according to me. I don't know the company in advice ufanye nini. In advice the company advises you to dilute, but me niki dilute. Okay, I dilute to some tiles, but because these ones are stained, so naeka and then you soak them like that. Naweka kakitu kako. Unaona kaka green aka nimeweka kwa ndoo. This is the content This is the Cerrazo hiyo tile cleaner. You come, you soak. You see? Una soak hivi. Ukisha soak, yenyewe itaanza kujitoa. You see? Ona venye zinatoka. Check it. Look at that. So easily. Ukisha soak, they just come easily. And then our tiles will be so black. Also, you have to wear mvae nini? Inaitwa nini? Kitu ya mapua. Mask, yeah, because this thing is choking. Yeah, the fumes in this chemical, they are choking. Yeah, but this thing is so effective. You see the tiles are stained. They are all stained, but I'll show you the end product. Sawa, I'll show you how it will look. I'm cleaning all those from up there back up all the way. You see the stains This is paint stains. Also, when they were doing the doors, there are also these stains. This is glue. This is glue that they were using to put these doors hii ya kupaka. It's not glue, inaitwa aje hii nini. This gloss is something that they apply kwa milango. When it dropped here on these stairs, ikashika. You see these things. So Cerrazo will work on those crazy stuffs So all the way, I'm walking all the way down. They are so stained I need them black, plain black. Yeah, these stairs got to be plain black. So stay tuned to one village that turn out. So all you need is a glove, kitu ya kusugua, and the mask because of the fumes that are coming from this thing. So twende kazi. Okay guys, someone might ask, I forgot to explain about this Someone might ask, see this is what? It's just a tile cleaner. Why are you covering yourself? And why do you need to wear the gloves? Okay, sijui kama mnanisikia poa because I have the mask on The reason for that, this thing is so acidic, So, you know when it's acidic, it produces some fumes, Also, for the gloves, you are wearing them because it can burn your skin, Because it's acidic. So, higher. Let me move away from that now. The fumes in that are so strong, eh? I hope mmenisikia poa. So because of its acidic state, it's good for white ceramics and the tiles, eh? Yani inatoa stains. I was using Clorox, the gel one, but it's kinda out of market, so hii ndo inabamba. The ceramic tile cleaner ndo inabamba sasa. Sasa nataka nioshe hizo tiles zote mpaka chini. Alafu nitaonyesha the end result, yeah? So sijui kama nitaweza kufilm because that thing inatoa fumes. Na doing it with one hand na unasukua na ingine, I might risk burning myself. So I'll show you the end results because we are removing these things, eh? You see, like now hii tile imewaipiwa. Okay, ilikuwa imewaipiwa, but you see the white stuffs, it's making them look bad. Sasa tunataka kutoa those white stuffs na stains, yeah? So stay tuned until I show you the end result. Sawa? So guys, this is the first scrub, eh? Bado hatujakamua na we have not rinsed with clean water, but now you can see, eh? There's so much difference, eh? From when we started, eh? There's so much difference now. The second water ya kurinse na inakuja ikitokanga na hizi zenye zinabaki. Hizi zishatoka. The only thing left ni kukamua, and then they will be out. You see, the difference, eh? So much difference. That's only one scrub. Now we rinse. Unaona kama huko kwenye kunakaa, you see my nini because of that chemical, eh? So huko kwenye unaona menyorora, the circular things, eh? We come with clean water and then we remove now the white stuffs, eh? Zenye tumesugua and then zikabaki. But you can see there's so much difference. So much difference. Let me show you. As compared to this other part, now we are on the second. I'm on the second section. The section, yes. I'm on this second section now, yeah. You know what I'm going to. Now I want to soak it. This will all this, yeah. So now I'm on this section and then I'll show you the end result. So guys, this is the afterthought, the aftermath of our kusugua leo. So ndo inakaa. You see the way it's clean, eh? So slickly clean. I'm feeling happy of the work I have done. Check it out. You have seen how the landing was, eh? Hasa ni kukamua, but I'm tired today. Nitakamua kesho, ya. Now, you see mtu tuko tunaona tudogo ishasuguliwa, but haingeng'ara na the soapy water. But this is the aftermath. Huh? Look at how clean and beautiful it is.